Oh, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's a heat wave in Germany and it's super warm. Like, my plants love it and I usually don't struggle with heat as much, but as you can see, I live right underneath the roof and it's a really poorly ventilated apartment and it's just getting really hot. I want to film a video today with something slightly different. It's an unboxing video. And I have ordered stuff from Coton Doux, which is a French fashion label, and they make really cool shirts. I usually wear shirts in my videos. Today I'm not because normally I wear shirts, and if it's a fun pattern or anything like that, it's more likely than not it's from them. I discovered this brand when I visited Paris with my parents a few years ago, and they had really cool stuff, so it's very unique and very much my style. Yeah, then I moved to Canada. They had a really nice collection and they even delivered there, and shipping rates weren't super expensive either. So even if you're not in Europe, I think this might be a brand that is available to you as well. The shirts are, and they're not super expensive, but they're also not ridiculously cheap. So if it's a new collection, one shirt will cost 69 euros, which is whatever amount in dollars, get over it. It's called conversion calculators, use them. Then shirts from older collections are 49 euros. But you know, I had codes for spend above X and get 30% off, so I'm like, of course. Okay, so with no further ado, let's just check what I got. They come nicely folded and ironed and everything, more or less ready to wear. I still wash them because, you know, all the dyes and everything, I like to rinse them off. And yeah, so the first one I got is this shirt. I don't know if you can even see this through the glare. There might be some glare because right now I have the blinds all down to keep the sunlight out, and I'm using my grow lights to film. Anyway, so shirt number one is this kind of a jungle scenery with tigers, a bird and plants. I really like this. I don't have that many green shirts, but I really wanted to have a look at this one. I think this would be great also in fall and winter because it's just a slightly darker color palette. Then next, I have this one. It looks very colorful, but if you look closely, this is kind of a pastry pattern. I really like this one. It's super colorful, light colored, so I think this would be great for summer. You know, for summer evening, barbecue something, I think this would be really nice to wear. It's just a pattern you don't really see a lot, so I really like this. I feel like I'm just gonna rush a little bit through them because it's just really hot and, you know, I just need to lie on the floor. So this one, it's with berries. I love berries, so and this is such a cool pattern because strawberries and currants, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, dates, and yeah, also my mom eats a shit ton of berries for breakfast every day, and I think this shirt is definitely gonna connect me with her. So yeah, I had to have this because, like, berries. Hello? Then, while I was just talking about connecting to my mom, this shirt is gonna connect me to my dad. I hate puzzles. So boring, so tedious, like you sit there, just, why? No. But my dad loves solving puzzles. And so this shirt is perfect for that. Should have gotten one for him as well, but I didn't know his size. And I mean, it's his birthday coming up. Maybe I really should have gotten one of them. Mom, can you please tell me what his size is? It's a really nice pattern, something you don't really see a lot elsewhere. And yeah. So then we have this one. I think this is a little less out there. It's still extremely colorful, but maybe less crazy pattern-wise, but yeah, I feel like this, I mean, I would wear all of these to work as well, like, who am I kidding here? Of course I would wear them to work, but I feel like this one is probably something normal people can wear to work. Well, I guess normal people wouldn't wear this to work either, but normal people can wear this. So, and this is, I think the inspiration behind this one was just like brush strokes of color. Yeah, it's very, very artistic. So, clearly not for normal people. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this one, which is, I forgot what they call this pattern. This is kind of a blue background with kind of magenta patterns, which gives it an overall purple look. I don't really have a lot of purple shirts either. Like, I hate birds. They're just so nasty, like they carry all of these diseases. Birds are super loud. They ruin your garden. No. I hate birds. Ugh. But yeah, this slightly avian inspired pattern really spoke to me, and it's purple. We like purple. So yeah, there you go. That's my haul of shirts from Coton Doux, which is French and means soft cotton. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in another video. Until then, like, comment, subscribe. This is something I've been called out for never saying. I don't take my channel seriously. If I did, I wouldn't behave like this in front of a camera. Like, hello? Please, like, have some common sense here. But anyway, so it's been brought to my attention that I should say,
thanks so much for watching, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. I love you guys. Bye.
I feel like my hair is probably also just, I washed my hair, right? So this looks probably super greasy, but it's not. It's just super hot. In case I haven't said this yet, but oh my god, it's so hot. This looks...
Oh god.
Like, hi, I'm so dainty.
The table collapses.
Hello, my name is Miss Fame and I'm so fancy. All my clothes are from Dolce & Gabbana.
You need the subtitles, like. Wow. And I put it exactly in the same spot.
I don't think
Incredible.
so. I really hope that was caught on camera. Oh, it's stuck. Security. Oh my god.